Hello all, welcome back to my channel. You're now tuned into Govardhan Penny's market analysis. So over here we discuss on broader markets based on the global cues and also mostly on the Indian indices part. So without any further ado, let's just start the analysis for the day. Let me bring up the screen for Nifty 50. So as we discussed yesterday, in the morning yesterday we did open gap up, then we couldn't sustain the gap up and we broke down. We took support around 15,700 levels as we spoke, and the wicks were just, although the wicks were below 15,700, we really sustained above 15,700 for most of the time. And also based on that we were in a range bound mode until afternoon, and then post that we sprang up above 15,750 also, and where our closing was well above 15,750 yesterday. So that's on Nifty spot. And as you see for on the Nifty futures front also, for the volumes right throughout the day there were not really much volumes that were being traded. So in the first ticks when the gap up got sold down, there was a heavy selling that happened, but post that it was completely range bound and the volumes were very minimal. There were a couple of green candles which had heavy volumes, but aside we do not see any selling pressure on that part. But in the last half an hour we did see that there was exceptional selling pressure, and in terms of volume, but although the trend really did not change. So we are slightly in an indecisive mode right now in terms of indices. That's how the global cues are also positioned. Let me just bring up the SGX part also, where we are trading currently. So SGX is currently placed around 15,781. Since this is futures, that's trading approximately 20 points below yesterday's closing. So we are mostly opening somewhere around flat to a 20 point negative zone. That's and as you see, let me come to international futures also. So Dow and Nasdaq are also like almost flat to 30 points negative, and if we see Nikkei, that's Japanese market, that's almost like 0.4% negative, which is again flat. So if we see, actually we aren't much on a trend right now today, in the today's morning session. So we are currently in an indecisive zone completely. So that's a zone which is to be watched out. Although we broke out of the range yesterday for Nifty index, we sort of became into a trend. We sort of turned into a range bound mode. So that's a part where we need to be cautious on. So let me just draw that. So this was yesterday's high, 15,773. So right now, let's see where the OI is positioned. So OI stats, and as you see 15,800, that's heavy call writing that has happened, and 15,700 has become a good base now. There's heavy put writing, although there's call writing also substantially, but the put writing is dominating on the downside. So if you see yesterday's chart also, we see that 15,700 really formed a good support zone. So any break below 15,700 would lead us towards 15,600, but 15,700, as long as it sustains, we are on a uptrend still. As the VIX is comparatively a lot low, we might not have a trending up move or down move as such at the immediate point, but we are right now, although indecisive, we are slightly in an upward momentum. So that's on 15,800 resistance. But on the upside, even though 15,800 is broken, there's decent resistance at 15,900 and 16,000 also. There's heavy call writing that has happened for this week open positions. So that's a point to be noted for OI stats on Nifty. And so the final outcome that we can decide for today, in terms of probable resistance and support, is 15,800 is the first resistance, followed by 15,850 and 15,900, which are based on psychological level and OI stats. On the downside, 15,700 is a decent support level, and also followed by 15,620 to 15,580 zone that is active from yesterday's discussion like we had. So that's on Nifty's front. Let me just bring up the Bank Nifty also quickly. So this is Bank Nifty's front view, and let me just bring up the Bank Nifty futures. So quickly bring up. Okay. So we have the Bank Nifty futures and Bank Nifty spot. So again, as we discussed yesterday, we did take a support near 13. We really did not test the previous day's low, anything as such. We had a gap up open again yesterday, and we did sustain in that narrow range for Bank Nifty. A range of 300 and 250 points for Bank Nifty is very narrow, honestly. It's not even 1% completely. So that yesterday was most likely a premium decay day for Bank Nifty options too. And also, if you see the futures chart for volumes, except in the first ticks that began yesterday, there weren't really much volumes. One in the afternoon when Germany markets opened around 12:30 hours, and then again in the ending where we slightly closed on a lower note, that is below 35,500 levels. So yesterday's closing was around 35,443 for Bank Nifty. So that's a note on Bank Nifty. So what are the primary resistance and supports for Bank Nifty? For primary support, we do see that 35,170 levels, 35,000 levels are primary supports, followed by immediate resistance of 35,500 and 35,750. 35,750, 35,800 is a zone that's been tested multiple times. So about that, with any volumes, we could easily witness a buying until 36,000 initially. So that's a zone to watch out. But as long as we sustain below 35,500, 35,600 levels to 35,100 on the downside, we are going to just see an uptick and downtick at every possible repetitive candles that's occurring right now, because the VIX is very low and we are not seeing any trending moves right now. So that's on Bank Nifty's front. So let me just bring up the Bank Nifty OI also, just for comparison. So let me just show you on this. It's been locked out. Open interest and Bank Nifty weekly. Yes. So as we see Bank Nifty weekly, we can see that 35,500, there's heavy call writing that has happened yesterday. So this is intraday OI, and there's heavy call writing that's happened at 35,500, and there's heavy put writing that is there still at 35,000 levels. So 35,000 level, 35,400, 35,300 and 200. This all put writing that has happened. So on downside we are limited for the huge fall, and on the upside we are slightly, the call writing is in a decreasing level, but we have a decent resistance at 35,500 levels and 35,700 levels. So those are the levels which are slightly important for us right now. So that's on Bank Nifty's part, and so that's for today. But if there's any other thing that comes up, I would be gladly but if there's anything that comes up, I'll try to give a quick update. So that's for today. And also, in case if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go subscribe, like and comment. Do post your questions, I would be happy to answer them all. Thanks a lot. Have a happy trading day. See you tomorrow.